Hi, I'm Suzana. I am from Shah Alam. I run my own business, which is an online weight loss and wellness coaching business. I've learned so much in Awaken the Divine You program for the past 7 days. I would say the main thing that I learned is that one has to be our own true self. Yeah. And it's only then when you know who you truly are can you love yourself. Okay, we learn so much, we see so much in reading materials here and there on the internet now about self-love, but until and unless you know who you are, uh, what is it that you have within you, then only you can love yourself. And that is what I got from Awaken the Divine You. Yeah, I also found out things which I never thought I had, like the fact that I am a healer. We all have that in us, and I had the practical experience of doing that in Awaken the Divine You, and there's nothing special about me. Everybody has that ability. Okay, my biggest takeaway, I would say, or the biggest change I see in me is that I am more willing to listen to my heart. Very much so. I used to be a person that uses the intellect so much. Everything comes from the mind. I will analyze and also, I guess, do things from an old programming where we were told from young, like, you have to think. But actually, what your soul really wants is what comes from the heart. So that is one of the big change for me. And another one is that letting go of this identity that I've built around me for 54 years. It's still there, but it's shedding every day a lot more. And I feel so much freer to be like that. So Master Umesh is a great teacher. He makes complex information seem so simple, easy to understand for all. He's also full of humor. He's so down to earth, and yet I can feel his mastership. He is a true master. I would encourage everyone to join Awaken the Divine You, for it will set you free.